Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're making this mixed metal ring using cherry quartz, brass, copper and silver aluminium. Let's get started. Begin by threading your cherry quartz bead onto the brass wire to the middle, and then you're going to keep the other 3 wires as a frame around the back of the stone and bend the wires together. Bend the wires in a loop around the stone and put one bundle over the other bundle, getting ready for the twist. The wires are forming a frame around your stone. Make sure that your wires are neat around the stone, and now we're going to twist those 2 bundles together. Don't worry about where the colors of the wires fall, let it just happen organically. Keep twisting the bundle until you are at about 5 to 6 centimeters in length. This will make a size 7 ring. As I always tell you, you can use a different colored stone, a different bead, and have a completely different looking ring. This is just a guide to show you how to make this type of ring. It's looking pretty already. Now hammer those wires flattish, and I know that's not a word, but you don't want to smash your wires so that they split, so you're compressing them all together to form one band, but not so hard that you break the strands of one of the wires. Now you can see all the wires have meshed together and they're forming one band. Now we're going to bend that ring band around the wooden ring mandrel. This is a size 7, as I told you. Bend all the tails alongside the stone as well. This is going to be very pretty. If you don't join the wires to the stone area, then it can be an adjustable ring. So here you can choose whether you want to join them together or keep that band separate. Hammer again on the metal ring mandrel, again to set your shape. Now we're going to have lots of fun and shape all those pretty tails into one unit of design. I need stronger pliers here because this is the brass section and it's a very hard wire. The aluminium wires are soft and the copper wire is somewhere in the middle. Add in a few cherry quartz chips and a few silver beads so that the design is balanced and the stone is not just alone with a lot of wires. I think it looks good this way. Curl all the tails. You can add extra beads here if you'd like to, but keep looking at it as one flowing design, not little separate bits and pieces of wire. We start a design with a few wires, a few pieces of stone, and slowly but surely it all comes together to form one unit. Now you have 3 tails of aluminium wire, and I've bent it over through the gap of the stone and then up the other side. This makes a pretty flowing design. So you can see I'm feeding it through, and then it goes through to the other side, and those tails I'm going to bend up and finish off with a curl. Check your design as you go along, always looking with the eye of an artist. Once you have curled all the little tails and fitted them all together to make one unit, then put the ring back onto your ring mandrel and tap it all into place for the last time. Set the shape on the ring mandrel using your metal ring mandrel and a metal hammer, and fit all those wires together. Make sure it's all meshing together. This is looking so pretty, and I love the mixed metals. They all complement each other, don't they? Thank you for watching to the end of this video. I would like you to take great care of yourselves. You're very special. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.